What is the standard kitchen size? Important tips for kitchen dimensions. Dear friends, kitchen size is an important consideration when designing or remodeling your kitchen. It's important to ensure that your kitchen is functional, comfortable, and meets your needs. In this video, we'll provide an overview of the standard kitchen size and the key dimensions to consider when planning your kitchen layout. Standard kitchen size. The standard kitchen size is generally considered to be around 100 to 200 square feet. However, this can vary depending on the layout and design of your kitchen. A small kitchen may be around 70 square feet, while a large kitchen may be up to 300 square feet or more. The most common kitchen layout is the L shape, which typically measures around 10 by 10 feet. Other common layouts include U-shaped, galley, and island kitchens. Key dimensions to consider. When planning your kitchen layout, there are several key dimensions to consider. Countertop height. The standard height for kitchen countertops is 36 inches. However, this can vary based on your height and preferences. Countertop depth. The standard depth for kitchen countertops is 25 inches. However, this can vary based on your appliances and needs. Cabinet depth. The standard depth for base cabinets is 24 inches, while upper cabinets are usually 12 inches deep. Appliance size. It's important to consider the size of your appliances when planning your kitchen layout. Common appliance sizes include 30-inch ranges and 36-inch refrigerators. By understanding the standard kitchen size and key dimensions, you can ensure that your kitchen is functional, comfortable, and meets your needs. Whether you're planning a new kitchen or remodeling your existing one, taking the time to plan your layout can make a big difference. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.